Alright, good evening. This is the beginning of the effects of acid rain lab. I haven't prepared my solutions yet, but I will shortly. I've already got some of my containers labeled and ready. Don't have my soil samples yet. I'll have to get those for activity 2. And then I don't have any chemicals out, but I will have my PPE on shortly. Okay, I have mixed my solutions, and I've already poured my 18 concentration with this pipette. So we're moving to this one, nice and clean one. Ignore my dog in the background, please. Yeah, and we're fixing to get some of this boy up in here. So yeah. Okay, I have finished adding my concentrations to said paper. And I get to drain these guys next, and then place 20 seeds in each. And then cover and place in a well-lit room temperature room. And I think I gotta take a picture of it as well, which I would do. Yeah. Alright, so now I get to go find a nice well-lit room temperature spot that these guys get to sit, preferably in a windowsill. I don't know if I've added myself in the video, so there's that. Also wearing all the PPE, so saved that. Rinsed up the cups, kept you because it didn't say to rinse you out. Now I get to go find soil. Nope. Oh, whoops. I'm recording. Well, might as well make a video. I've gotten my soil, and I've added all 15 milliliters of my acid rain to the solution. I was fixing to take a picture, but, I mean, as you can see, it's a little too green for that one. It matches 7 quite nicely, which makes sense, because adding vinegar would decrease the pH. So. Disposing of, I should move sponge and stuff out of the sink. Yep. Alright, so video. The water on it. Nope. Clean my work area for tomorrow. And down here we got our little 2 dirt solutions. The one in the back has peat moss, so that's why it's floating. Apparently, because that's potted soil stuff. And this is just yard dirt. So we're gonna let those sit overnight. This is day, I think 1 technically, because yesterday was 0. But it appears that none of them have sprouted yet, which I'm actually kind of both surprised and not surprised by. But you know. Okay, this is after the daylight. A little update. How we're doing here. It doesn't appear like any of them are growing, which is kind of a bummer. But oh well. Which means I gotta find an outside reason as to why that would happen. Right. This is day 2, technically. Just going to check up on them. Appear to do alright. It looks like some of them are starting to germinate. I don't know if the camera will get them, but I can definitely see a couple. Let me see if I can point it out, like that one right there. That's germinating. And then a couple right here. So, got some in the water as well. So yeah, finally started germinating, so that's good. Took him a couple days. It's the last day. Doing the last checkup. I'm just gonna. Yeah, look at those. I should keep this here actually. The highest solution did not have any, which does not surprise me. Looks like I got one in that one. Actually, I had quite a couple in here. Well, alright. That's that. Okay, I just finished writing the background after writing all my results in here. And I think that'll be the end of the lab. I've already answered the questions. And yeah, that's the end of the effects of acid rain lab. Thumbs up from everybody. I just gotta dispose of this.